Welcome! If you're looking to send a video through Instagram chat on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to share videos directly from your computer, no need for any extra downloads or complicated workarounds. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your username and password. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a speech bubble or a small paper airplane. This will open up your Instagram direct messages, where all your conversations are neatly organized for easy access. Next, scroll through your list of chats and click on the conversation where you want to send your video. At the bottom of the chat window, right next to where you'd normally type a message, you'll see a small photo icon. This is the key to sending media. Click on it, and a file browser window will pop up. Now, navigate to the folder on your computer where your video is saved. Select the video you want to share and click Open. Instagram supports common video formats like MP4, WebM, and MOV, but keep in mind that your video must be under 25 megabytes in size. If your video is too large, you may need to trim or compress it before uploading. Once you've chosen your video, you'll see it appear in the message bar, ready to go. If you want to add a message along with your video, just type it in the text box. When you're ready, click Send. Your video will be delivered instantly to your friend or group chat, just like any other message. That's it. You've successfully sent a video on Instagram chat using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to share moments with friends, family, or followers right from your desktop. Try it out and keep your conversations lively with videos, all without leaving your browser.